Hey guys, Razer reached out to me, wanted me to talk to you about their newest line of laptops. So I'm making this video in collaboration with them. Hey, what's going on guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today I'm gonna talk to you about Razer and their newest laptop line. Razer has been killing the laptop market lately, and their newest models are no joke. To kick things off, we're gonna talk about the Razer Blade Stealth. This is a low-profile, ultra-portable laptop. The laptop features an ultra-thin 0.54 inches CNC aluminum body, and it weighs just 2.98 pounds. It makes it the perfect travel laptop. It's the size of a tablet, but has the ability to game too. The 13-inch model features a QHD display with wide viewing angles and a 100% sRGB color space, meaning you have high resolution, and the sRGB 100%, meaning the color accuracy is so good you can use it for photo editing, video editing, and things that require accuracy. Now, other features include the Chroma keyboard with 16.8 million colors, a blazing fast SSD, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a quad-core i7 processor. When you think of Razer, you think of gaming, but the attention to detail, not just for gaming, but for creative people, is unmatched. This laptop also offers 10 hours of real-world battery life. The Razer Blade Stealth is the ideal laptop for the average person who values mobility and performance. But if you do want that extra notch for gaming, Razer does offer an optional upgrade. And that is the Razer Core V2 external GPU enclosure, which allows you to add a graphics card to this laptop. One of the biggest complaints about laptops is you can't upgrade them. Well, this right here allows you to slap in a brand new video card, which will take your gaming to the next level. The Blade Stealth laptop is the most budget-friendly, retailing at $1199. If you're ready to step things up a little bit, then you should check out the new Razer Blade. This is the middle of the road option. The fully spec'd out version has that 4K UHD touch display, quad-core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce 1060 with 6 gigabytes of VRAM. Just like the Stealth, the laptop features CNC aluminum body at 4.1 pounds and 0.7 inches thick. This laptop is portable, so definitely you throw it in a bag, throw it in a sling, and you can take it with you on the go. But it also does carry a bigger punch than the Stealth as far as performance. This laptop is very attractive in their lineup just because of where it sits in price to performance, starting at $1899. And with 6 gigabytes of dedicated graphics card, you'll be able to game with ease, edit videos, use graphic design software, and more. This laptop specializes in being the perfect companion for that travel gamer. You can take your games around the world thanks to its incredible power and form factor. The battery life is up to 5 hours, so you can work and game and get things done. This laptop is already very impressive, but Razer has one major trick up its sleeve. This is the Razer Blade Pro. And I'm gonna say something that makes people cringe, and I cringe too, but this is legit. This is a gaming desktop killer. This thing features a 17.3 4K NVIDIA G-Sync touchscreen, a GTX 10 series graphics card, a quad-core i7 processor, and up to 32 gigabytes of RAM. It also has an anti-ghosting, individually backlit Chroma keyboard. And by some magic, Razer managed to pack all this technology into an incredibly thin 0.88 inches CNC aluminum body. Razer didn't stop there. This 4K display is the first laptop to be THX mobile certified. This means that Razer worked closely with THX to ensure the image quality, color reduplication, and image sharpness is stellar and lived up to THX name. These benefits aren't just for the display. The THX certified audio jack means you have top-notch audio quality with low distortion, dynamic playback, and synchronized audio and video outputs with little delay. One of the weak points of laptops is the quality of the audio jack, and cell phones don't even include audio jacks now, but Razer actually pumped the brakes on that and actually gave us a better headphone jack than we'd expect. When I claimed this was a desktop killer, I wasn't joking at all. The 4K model has a GeForce GTX 1080 and it will absolutely tear through high performance games with ease. Razer is so focused on performance and gaming that they let you actually overclock your laptop. They included the software to do it and actually encourage you to do it freely. The lightweight control software gives you power to control overclocking, trackpad, and keyboard lighting. Now, speaking of keyboards, the 4K model features an ultra profile mechanical keyboard. Yes, a mechanical keyboard in a 4K 17.4-inch laptop. That's crazy. And this benefit gives you anti-ghosting and an actuation force of 56 grams. The Razer Blade Pro is ready to handle any task you throw at it. You can't just get a quality laptop built for gamers. And to be completely honest, it's hard to find a laptop that is built with this much thought when it comes to gaming and very specific attention to details. And just when you think that's it, there is one more thing. This is FL Studio, or as they call it, Razer Music. This lets you produce music like the pros. Some of the top producers actually use this software today. You can download it for free if you own any Razer laptop, and that's a $200 value for free. To sum things up, the Razer Blade line of laptops has something for everyone. Whether you're a casual gamer, a moderate gamer, or a true professional gamer, Razer has that laptop for you. If you're interested in picking one up, you can pick one up in several locations. You can go to Microsoft Store, Micro Center, select Best Buy stores. They're also available online at razerzone.com, Amazon, and Newegg. All the links you need to know are linked down below. As always, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later.